Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that TsIce is the version you expect and that you can access its install folder. Once done, back up the current web options file so you can restore defaults if needed. Next, open the configuration editor or the CLI with elevated privileges. This ensures you can write changes. You do this now because permissions and mismatched versions are the most common roadblocks, so confirm version, create a backup, and enter the tool ready to change settings. Now edit the core web options, server address, port numbers, TLS settings, and allowed hosts. Make each change deliberately and validate the file format, JSON or YAML, because a small syntax error breaks startup. Once you alter one area, save incrementally and restart only the service component you changed. This reduces downtime. Also enable verbose logging while testing to see immediate behavior. This approach helps you isolate which option caused an issue and speeds troubleshooting when multiple settings interact. Finish by restarting the TsIce service and watching the logs for errors or warnings. You want to confirm the web interface binds correctly and TLS certificates load. Then run quick functional checks. Load the web UI in a browser, use curl, or exercise the API client to verify endpoints. If something fails, revert to your backup immediately, compare diffs to find the bad entry, and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the problem. A single mistyped host or port is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.